Welcome back. Today I will be speaking matrix value shortcut methods, how to find its determinant matrix. Let's say one example. We have, for example, a determinant 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Let's take 0 over here. Now what we have to do is you multiply its diagonal matrix, okay? You multiply its diagonal matrix means what? Is equals to 1, 3, 1 is what? 1, 3, 1 is what? 3, okay? And then plus and multiply this into this, okay? Here what? 0 into 5 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, okay? Here 0 plus what are remaining? Remaining is what? This and this, okay? This and this means 2, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay, now this is over, okay? After that, this is 16 minus. After that minus, what we have to do is what we have done this. So same way you do this way, okay? Here 3 into 2 into 0 is what? We are getting 0 plus, and then this into 1, okay? 0 into 2 into 0 is become a 0 plus remaining is what? 5 into 4 into 1 is what? 20. Okay. Therefore this is what? 16 plus 3 is 19 plus here 20, okay? Here this is minus 1, okay? This is the difference, okay? This is how we used to find matrix of the value, okay? Determinant. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. For example, matrix B is equals to 1, 2, say 1, 0, 3, 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 5, 1. Okay. This is equals to what? Okay. Now consider this diagonal. This minus 2 into 1 is what? Minus 2 plus multiply this 4 into 5, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 3 is what? 60 plus remaining is what? 0 into 2 is what? 0 minus, after this remove this and consider this way, okay? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12 minus 12 plus this into 1, okay? Here since 4 into 0, 0 into 1 is what? 0 plus, okay? And then 1 and then this into this, okay? Here 0 will come, okay? Here 0. Therefore here we have 58 minus plus 12. 8, 9, 10, 0, 5, 6, 7, 70, okay? This is how we find out, okay? Normally what we have done was, this is same as we take 1, remove each column. Here 3 ones are 3, okay? 3 minus 5 fours are 20 minus 2. If I remove this and this, this is 0, okay? 0 minus 4 to the 8. 0 into anything is 0. Here we have, therefore this is minus 1, okay? This answer is same as this, okay? Same way, okay?